Check this out. This channel has a little over 1,000 subscribers. The first FIFA World Cup video that they posted got 370,000 views. Why is that crazy? Look at the other videos he's posting. He's posting about military tanks and jets. Each video is getting 176 views, 600 views, 400 views, and all of a sudden, when he posts his first FIFA World Cup video, it gets 370,000 views. This other channel is a history channel. Now look at his videos. 4 views, 10 views, 33 views. The first FIFA World Cup video he posted got 153,000 views. This is absolutely crazy. This is the biggest opportunity in the last 4 years. The FIFA World Cup is here. You need to take advantage of this now. And the list goes on and on. 270,000 views, 230,000, 370, 1.3 million views. Guys, these are brand new channels that literally just started posting about the World Cup a week ago. Look at this. The FIFA World Cup is getting 88 million views per hour. 88 million views. And it's aggressively rising. This is not only going to be the most trending subject in the world. I can't even talk. I get so excited. It's not only going to be the most trending subject in the world for the next 3 weeks, but people are going to be searching it for the next 6 months. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact tool they're using and the exact workflow step by step. Not just how to create these videos, but how to find the ones that are already performing and copy them. You make these videos with a tool called MagicLight, one of the most powerful AI video generators on the planet. It just dropped Dance 2.0 Mini, and that's what makes these videos possible. And stick around because by the end of the video, I'm going to be giving away 2 premium monthly subscriptions to MagicLight valued at $70 a piece. To enter, all you have to do is leave a nice little comment below. I'm going to be picking random winners from the comment section. YouTube is not associated with this contest. This contest was brought to you by MagicLight AI. Hey guys, my name is Michael. I run JohnnyTube. I also run other channels that have gotten millions of views across all of them. I also have one of the best-selling faceless YouTube courses and AI courses in the world with thousands of students. I run one of the fastest growing AI income newsletters out there. And if you want to stay up to date on the latest and the greatest in AI trends, tools, and news, be sure to scan the QR code on the screen or click on the link in the description right now to join completely for free. We're going to be making a video around AI opening ceremonies. As you can see here on vidIQ, these types of channels with very little subscribers are going bonkers viral. There's 160,000 views. There's 600,000 views, 170,000 views, 340,000 views. It's crazy the amount of views these small channels are getting. So we're going to copy these, mimic them, and try to go viral ourselves with MagicLight. Let's click into some of these videos and see what they're all about. So let's do the World Cup Canada. As we scroll here, we can see that all it is party and celebration on the field. There's fireworks, there's people singing, there's bands, there's fans going crazy. Here's another one, AI-made World Cup 2026 opening ceremony. Again, this one is the same premise. Scrolling along, we can see that it's parties, it's flags from different countries, it's people celebrating, it's fireworks, it's epic, it's big, and it's loud, it's great. So all of these videos that are going viral are the same exact thing. It's basically just celebration. Here's the first step. Let's go to suno.com. Let's create our opening ceremony anthem. It's super, super simple. Make sure you have a pro plan on Suno. I think it's like $5 a month so that you can use this song copyright free. We're going to click on styles here. Let's give it a prompt like this. It's going to be super simple, and I'm going to leave this prompt down in the description below so you can copy exactly this. Epic stadium anthem, festival EDM, orchestral build, tribal drums, bass section, crowd chanting, uplifting, celebratory, live concert energy. Let's do 128 beats per minute. Let's click create. Okay, we have our song here. It's actually really, really good. And you're going to hear it towards the end of the video when we put everything together. You're not going to want to miss this. Okay, there's 2 ways to make videos on MagicLight. Let's go through both of them. The first one is story to video. So we're going to click on create. Now, let me show you how simple this actually is. There's duration sections down here. We can make videos up to 50 minutes long. Almost an hour we can create with MagicLight. But for this specific demo, we're going to go with 3 to 5 minutes. We're going to keep it on Opus 4.7 English, 16:9 ratio, and we're going to give it a prompt like this. Make me a video of an excited FIFA World Cup soccer stadium crowd. There's fireworks, there's celebration, there's the band. Everything's exciting. Everything is hyper-realistic, engaging, and just fun in general. Let's click Next. So MagicLight has generated random football, soccer players here. We don't want to use well-known names and faces for obvious reasons, copyright and intellectual property issues. Let's go ahead and use these guys as part of our video. Let's click Next. The video that it gave us is pretty good. Now, we're not going to just want to use this video alone. We're going to want to combine it with another video that we make on MagicLight. I'm going to show you what this looks like towards the end. So let's go ahead and download this video here. And then let's go to another section of MagicLight where we can actually turn images that we created into videos. Let's come into chatgpt.com, and you don't have to be on the paid plan. This can be completely free. What we're doing is we're creating the base images that we're going to feed into MagicLight to animate them. Let me show you what we're going to do. We're going to give it a simple prompt like this. I need you to create me a 2026 FIFA World Cup stadium with the band and fireworks and a party and celebration going on. Something simple like that. Create me an image around this. This is what ChatGPT gave us on the free plan. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to feed that same prompt into ChatGPT 10 or 15 times to create multiple images of this same style. Very nice. I'm loving these pictures. Check this out. Very cool. So we're going to use these to create our opening ceremony video. Coming back into MagicLight, scrolling to the bottom, we're going to click on Image to Video, and we're going to add the pictures that we created in ChatGPT right here. Feed 4 pictures at a time here. We don't want to overwhelm this. 4 pictures are done, and our prompt is going to be something simple like this. Animate these, make them exciting and celebratory, and that's all you need. We're going to leave it on Seed Dance Mini because this is currently the fastest and the cheapest model around Seed Dance available. Duration is 15 seconds. Let's click Create Video. Okay, here's what MagicLight gave us. It's almost done. Let's throw the 3 pieces together to complete our opening ceremony video. Alrighty guys, let's use CapCut to put everything together, and this will only take a few minutes. You can use any video editor that you want, but in my opinion, CapCut is the easiest, and it's meant for normal, non-technical people. So once we're, and by the way, it's completely free. Once we're here, we click on Import. We're going to import the videos that we turned from image to video in MagicLight. We're going to import the video of the soccer players here that we grabbed from MagicLight as well. And then we're going to import our song that we created with Suno. So all we're doing is importing different clips, and we're importing the anthem that we made in Suno. We're going to drag the anthem on the timeline here. We're going to drag the 6-minute video that we created in MagicLight of these players here celebrating. And we're going to drag all of these other videos onto the timeline as well. Now, you can do as many videos as you want in the image to video section in MagicLight, and you'll be dragging these individually on the screen here to make up some of the B-roll of the video. So this video right now is around 6.5 minutes long. Let's cut it down to 3 minutes. What I want to do is mute the videos, and let's keep the song on. Okay, cool. So I want the video to start a little bit more exciting. Let's start right here. Let's drag these out a little bit. You can edit this however you want, guys, but just keep it exciting. Constantly moving, constant B-roll, fireworks, the band playing, people having fun. Make it as exciting as you can. Here's the video that we made. I think it turned out super great.
We get my life tonight. One love, one game, we unite.
Okay, so our video is made, but let's talk about one of the most important parts about actually getting massive amounts of views. If you have the best video in the world, it doesn't matter. If your thumbnail is trash and your title is trash, nobody's going to click on your video. Nobody knows that your video is great because they don't enter through the doorway that we call your thumbnail. So you have to make your thumbnail as great as possible. And the only way, in my opinion, to do that, or one of the only ways, is to copy what's working. I've been on YouTube for over 15 years, and I always made the mistake of designing a thumbnail that I thought in my eyes was the best thumbnail. Like I would look at the thumbnail and I would sleep on it and dream about it and be like, this is gonna get me 1 million views. Oh my God, this thumbnail is gonna blow up. No, and then it gets 10 views. The surefire way, or one of the surefire ways to get massive amounts of views is to copy what's actually working. Let me show you how to do that now. So we're on vidIQ, and vidIQ has a free plan, it has a paid plan, but you can do this on the free plan. We're at vidIQ. We're going to the research tab here. We click on keywords, and we're going to type in FIFA World Cup. Cool. We're going to click on videos, and we're looking for the outliers. So we're going to click on filters. We're going to leave outlier score the same. We're going to leave views the same. We're going to put subscribers all the way down to, let's say, 10,000. Views per hour, we're going to leave this. Video length, we're going to leave this. Country, let's go to all countries. And let's go within this past month. We're going to search videos that have gone viral in this past month. We're going to click apply. Okay, cool. So one thing that I forgot to do. Opening ceremony, and we're going to remove FIFA. This video right here, 158,000 views 25 days ago. Cool. This one, 278,000 views 25 days ago. Scrolling down, 154,000, 51,000, 106,000. So we're going to want to copy this. Let's grab one of these. Let's say I like this one. We're going to screenshot this portion of it. Then we're going to come to ChatGPT. And then we're going to upload the picture here. And then we're going to say something like this. I need you to create me a version of this that's more powerful, more colorful, and grabs more attention. Not only can you create these type of World Cup videos on MagicLight, but MagicLight just released something very special and powerful. It's called the MagicLight Creator Asset Rewards Program. And it's basically a storefront where you can create your own characters, your own styles, and your own skills. And you can sell them directly on the open market on MagicLight's website. This is just another way that MagicLight is giving creators their power back and giving them opportunities to earn in various ways. There's characters that you can design from scratch. There's visual styles. There's actual skills that you can develop and have people use them directly on the website. And just a reminder, if you want to win a monthly subscription to MagicLight, be sure to leave a nice little comment down below. I'm going to be picking random winners in the coming weeks here. YouTube is not associated with this contest. This contest was brought to you by MagicLight. And if you want to try MagicLight, if you want to try making your own viral FIFA World Cup videos, don't forget to click on the link in the description below to join MagicLight today. Go out there and make some fantastic World Cup videos. I want to see you guys get massive amounts of views. And if you want to stay up to date on the latest and the greatest in AI trends, tools, and news, I run one of the fastest growing AI income newsletters in the world. It's completely for free. Scan the QR code on the screen or click on the link in the description right now to join.